Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to retrieve your Hotmail account. Now first of all, let me just explain what's going on because Hotmail has now switched over to Microsoft Outlook because Hotmail actually shut down. I know a lot of people have been using this for years because it was one of the first emails. Now you just come here to account.live.com/password/reset. This is the exact URL. Type in your Hotmail email and then just come here and click on next. And then they'll give you different options to recover this. So you can get your security code from your email, okay? And if you remember your email, just type in that email for your verification, then click on get code. They'll send you the code. Or if you had more verification methods, you can click here on show more verification methods. And this is my number. So what we can also do is text, right, a code to this number, but you need to type in the number, okay, the last four digits of this number. Just go ahead and do that and then click on get code. If you really don't have any of these options, just try to click I don't have any of these and see if they can help you further with that. Just enter these details and they will get back to you. But otherwise, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.